If you have an older piece of furniture like this nightstand that has several drawers in it, it's really a problem if the piece of furniture does not have drawer stops. This can happen, fall right out on the floor, spill everything. But as always, Joe has a solution to this problem.
Well, actually, I've got a couple solutions, and none is simpler than this.
Okay.
Take a small block of wood. This is 1/4-inch plywood, about 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And you see I drilled an off-center hole for a small drywall screw. If you can just hold that drawer for me,
all right.
just screw this right to the back of the drawer, just tight enough that it holds it in place. Now you slide in the drawer, and you just rotate that block vertically. So now when you go to open the drawer, the wooden block will hit the face frame and prevent the drawer from falling out.
Okay, and then if you do need to take the drawer out, then just rotate
Turn
it
it
back
down,
down
it slides
you're
right
able to
out.
take it out. Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, now another way to solve that problem is with a simple toggle bolt that you can get at any hardware store. And I took this and I drilled 2 small holes for screws. And what you do is you just screw it right to the back of the drawer and then push down the spring-loaded wing, slide the drawer into place, and when it pops up, it'll hit the face frame and hold the drawer in place.
Okay, I can see where that would work pretty well. But what about one of these big, wide drawers? What do you do then?
Well, one stop like this works great on a drawer about this size. If it's wider than about 2 feet or so, I'd recommend using 2 stops, one near each corner, and that'll keep the drawer from sliding out of the cabinet.
I see.